Thank you, everybody. My dear students, I shall come again to conduct your class today. Welcome, everybody. Today, I conduct with a grammar class. My dear students and participants who are seeing this video, you must subscribe the video and touch the bell for coming next video. My dear students, you know, COVID-19 is a serious virus and it will take away your life anytime. So you take care of your health and you must cover a mask with your face when you go out of the home. And you take away yourself from other persons. Only 3 people, a maximum 3 feet. My dear students and participants, I conduct with you a English grammar. Today's lesson is today's lesson is grammar. My dear students, let us watch a video. Okay, thank you everybody again. You enjoy a funny video. It was a very funny wrestling. It looked very exciting. Only a single man made this wrestling. We enjoyed it much. What kind of sentences have you observed? Assertive sentence. Okay. So today's topic is assertive sentence. Learning outcomes, what we have learned after finishing these lessons, identify the definition of assertive sentence, identify the structure of assertive sentence, rearrange the assembled words to make assertive sentences. Make assertive sentences with clue. My dear participant, you see a dog left corner of the screen. The dog is a faithful animal. It does not mix with the bad boys. A group of words giving general affirmative statement. A group of words giving general negative statement. So an assertive sentence is a group of words that expresses affirmative or negative sentences or statements. Let's know more about the assertive sentences. I respect my parents very much. This is subject, this is verb, object, extension. My dear students, you noticed in this sentence analytics of the sentences. Subject, verb, object, and extension. You see. To respect teachers, my eye. My dear participants and friends, rearrange it according to the structure. I respect my teachers too. I respect my teachers too. Assertive sentence in negative form. If the sentence is formed with auxiliary be, verb to have, the structure will be subject plus auxiliary public be, verb to have plus not or no plus extension. My dear students, again, if you prompt a negative sentence, you must use subject plus auxiliary be, verb to have plus not or no plus extension. Assertive sentence in negative form. If the sentence is formed with auxiliary be, verb to have, the structure will be subject auxiliary be, verb to have plus not or no plus extension. Sorry. Assertive sentence in negative form. If the sentence is formed with action, do, verb, the structure will be subject, don't, doesn't, didn't, plus main verb and extension. Sorry for the video. You see again. If the sentence is formed with action, do, verb, the structure will be subject plus don't, doesn't, didn't, plus main verb and extension. Class activities. Rearrange the jumbled words to make 5 assertive sentences. This is 5 sentence is jumbled words and it is submitted on the screen. You see rearrange this sentence and to make a correct sentence. Make a 5 assertive sentence on the picture you see. Make 5 assertive sentence on the picture you see. May Allah bless you. Thank you all.